In the heart of Japan, discipline isn't a fleeting mood or a momentary motivation. It's a lifestyle, a philosophy. It's the cornerstone of every choice, the compass for every journey. The first rule, Ikigai, is the discipline of purpose. This sweet spot where passion, skill, need, and reward converge is the guiding light that transforms discipline from obligation to inspiration. Next, Kaizen, the discipline of continuous improvement. It whispers, progress is built on small, consistent steps. Every little bit counts. Shitsuke, the discipline of character, is about integrity, respect, responsibility. It's the silent strength that shapes you. When small steps aren't enough, Kaikaku, the discipline of radical change, invites you to leap, to leave the old and embrace the new. Hansei, the discipline of reflection, is about learning from the past. It's about turning failures into fuel for growth. Gaman, the discipline of endurance, teaches resilience amidst trials. It's not about escaping struggle, but enduring with grace. Osoji, the discipline of cleanliness and clarity, encourages a clear environment and mind. It's about discarding the inner clutter of resentment, fear, and doubt. Last, Kodawari, the pursuit of excellence. It's about doing even the smallest tasks with precision and heart, because greatness is built on details. Japanese discipline isn't about control, it's about harmony. Embrace even one of these principles and discipline becomes who you are. It's a quiet strength that leads to peace, purpose, and power.